Are you a creative individual with a passion for design? Do you have an eye for aesthetics and love bringing ideas to life through visuals? If so, starting your own graphics designer business might just be the perfect venture for you. In today's digital age, where visual content is king, there has never been a better time to dive into the world of graphic design. Whether you're looking to freelance or build your own agency, this video will guide you on how to start your graphics designer business and pave the way towards success. So grab your stylus pen and let's get started on this exciting journey together. What is graphics designer? Graphics designers are the creative minds behind the captivating visuals we see all around us. They are experts in using various design software to create stunning graphics that communicate messages effectively. From logo designs and branding materials to website layouts and social media posts, a graphics designer's work is diverse and ever-evolving. These talented individuals possess a keen eye for color, composition, typography, and overall aesthetics. They understand how different elements come together to create visually appealing designs that capture attention and convey meaning. Graphics designers often collaborate with clients or teams to understand their vision and translate it into compelling visuals. One of the key skills of a graphics designer is their ability to stay up to date with current design trends while also infusing their own unique style. They continually seek inspiration from various sources like art exhibitions, online platforms, nature, or even everyday objects. In addition to technical skills in design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, graphics designers also need strong communication skills. Effective communication helps them understand client requirements accurately and present their ideas convincingly. Being a graphics designer requires both artistic talent and technical proficiency. It's about transforming concepts into visually striking creations that leave a lasting impact on viewers' minds. So, if you have an innate creativity combined with a passion for visual storytelling, congratulations! You're already off to an excellent start on your journey towards becoming a successful graphics designer. How to start a business as a graphics designer? Starting a business as a graphics designer can be an exciting and fulfilling venture. If you have a passion for creativity and design, this could be the perfect path for you. Here are some steps to help you get started on your journey. 1. Hone your skills. Before launching your business, it's crucial to develop your skills as a graphics designer. Take courses, practice regularly, and stay updated with the latest trends in design. 2. Build your portfolio. As a graphics designer, your portfolio is your calling card. Start by creating projects for friends or family members to showcase your abilities. You can also offer pro bono work or take on freelance gigs to build up your portfolio. 3. Define your niche. Determine what type of graphics design services you want to offer, whether it's web design, branding, logo creation, or print media, and focus on refining those specific skills. 4. Set up your business structure. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietorship or form a legal entity like an LLC, limited liability company. Consult with an attorney or accountant for guidance on which structure suits your needs best. 5. Market yourself. Establishing an online presence through social media platforms like Instagram or Behance can attract potential clients and showcase your work effectively. Network locally by attending industry events and connecting with other professionals in related fields. Remember that starting any business takes time and effort. Success may not come overnight. Dedication, perseverance, continuous learning will help set yourself apart from the competition and pave the way towards building a successful graphics design business. What are the benefits of being a graphics designer? Being a graphics designer has numerous benefits that make it an attractive career choice for many creative individuals. One of the main advantages is the ability to unleash your artistic talent and express yourself through visual designs. As a graphics designer, you have the opportunity to bring ideas to life and create visually appealing content that captures attention. Another benefit of being a graphics designer is the flexibility it offers in terms of work arrangements. Many designers have the freedom to work as freelancers or start their own design businesses, allowing them to choose their projects, set their own schedules, and work from anywhere in the world. This flexibility can lead to a better work-life balance and increased job satisfaction. Additionally, being a graphics designer opens up doors to various industries and sectors. Designers are needed in fields such as advertising, marketing, web development, multimedia production, print media, and more. This versatility allows designers to explore different areas of interest and continuously learn new skills. Moreover, graphic design is constantly evolving with technology advancements. As a result, there are always opportunities for growth and learning within this field. Designers can stay updated with industry trends by attending workshops or conferences or even taking online courses to enhance their knowledge and expand their skill set. Lastly but not leastly, delete repetitive phrases. Being a successful graphics designer often comes with financial rewards. With experience and expertise gained over time, rephrase. Designers may be able to command higher rates for their services or secure lucrative contracts with established companies. How to be successful as a graphics designer. Being a successful graphics designer requires more than just artistic skills. Here are some key tips to help you stand out in the industry and achieve success. 1. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest design trends, software updates, and techniques. Enroll in online courses or attend workshops to expand your knowledge and enhance your skills. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your best work through a well-curated portfolio that highlights your versatility and creativity. Include a variety of projects across different industries to demonstrate your adaptability as a designer. 3. Networking. Connect with other professionals in the field by attending industry events, joining design communities, or participating in online forums. Building strong relationships can lead to collaborations, referrals, and valuable insights. 4. Effective communication. Develop strong communication skills to effectively understand client briefs, present ideas convincingly, and collaborate with team members or clients throughout the design process. 5. Time management. Being able to meet deadlines is crucial for success as a graphics designer. Prioritize tasks efficiently, set realistic timelines for each project, and have effective time management strategies in place. 6. Embrace feedback. Be open to constructive criticism from both clients and peers alike. Use feedback as an opportunity for growth and improvement rather than taking it personally. 7. Differentiate yourself. Find your unique niche within the vast world of graphic design by developing expertise in specific areas such as branding, web design, or illustration. This will make you stand out among competitors who offer general services. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes perseverance, dedication, and continuous self-improvement. It's important to keep honing your skills, knowing what sets you apart, and staying connected within the industry. Successful designers are always evolving their craft. Starting a graphics designer business can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. With the right skills, knowledge, and determination, you can carve out a successful career in this creative field. By following the steps outlined in this article, you'll be well on your way to starting your own graphics design business. Remember to start by honing your skills and building a strong portfolio that showcases your talent. Utilize online platforms to market yourself and connect with potential clients. Network with other professionals in the industry and stay updated on current trends. Being a graphics designer offers numerous benefits such as flexibility, creativity, and the ability to work from anywhere. However, it's important to always strive for success by continuously learning new techniques, staying abreast of industry developments, and delivering high-quality work. As you embark on this journey as a graphics designer entrepreneur, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Stay passionate about what you do and remain dedicated to providing exceptional service to your clients. So go ahead. Take that first step towards starting your own graphics design business. With determination and hard work, there are no limits to what you can achieve in this dynamic field. Good luck!